CG033, the 4-axis drone, which uses GPS precise positioning system, equipped with high-precision gyroscope, and positioning is more precise. The drone has an automatically adjusted HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi signal, HD transmission, real-time capture every moment, one full moment, smartphone's following function, liberating your hands, 360-degree entry-to-point surround, easy to shoot, cool, blockbuster, trajectory flight. When you click somewhere, it will fly to where. No need to worry about the control course. 3-level low power return is safer. 1-button return is more convenient. Measures need attention. Presentation of the product. Product list display. Preparation before flight. Before flying, make sure the drone's battery is full charged. Turn the rear arm of the drone outward and back. The forward arm of the drone is extended down and forward, and then put the drone horizontally. Long press the switch button for 3 seconds to start the drone. Press down the remote control switch. When the drone makes 2 sounds, the frequency pairing is accomplished. Calibrated gyroscope, geomagnetic operation. Push the rocker on the left side to the under left corner, and push the rocker on the right to the under right corner at the same time. Release the lever of the remote control when you hear the D. The lines flash quickly on the plane. Grab the fuselage of the vehicle. Trace the shape of 4 to 6 times in the air. When you hear the 4 sounds, it means the calibration is completed. Push the rocker on the left side to the top left corner, and push the rocker on the right to the under right corner at the same time. Release the lever of the remote control when you hear the D. The lens flashed quickly on the plane. After listening to the 4 drops, the lines of the drone changed from fast to slow. At this point, the gyroscope is corrected. Search GPS. When the light of the drone is slowly flashing, the GPS signal is starting to search. After the search is completed, the light of the drone is always bright. The search time is about 2 minutes. When the number of satellites on the remote reaches 8, 2 lights out at the same time, and the remote control will remain on the display of 8 satellites for 10 seconds. The remote control is only 2, and the lamp is always bright. That means the drone can take off safely. UAV unlocking. The left and the right remote poles of the remote controller are pulled outward or inward at the same time. At this time, the 4 blades rotate at the same time, and the lock is unlocked successfully. Basic manipulation. 1 key takeoff. The drone will automatically fly to the air 3 meters above the ground and hover. 1 key landing. Ascending. Descending. Left turning. Right turning. Forward. Backward. Left flying. Right flying. 3-speed switching. At this mode. Low power return. When the 4 indicator light on the remote control is shown, the 4 indicator lights on the bottom of the drone start to flicker, indicating that the drone is not enough power. At this time, the drone will return automatically. When the remote control signal and the drone are disconnected, the drone will automatically return. 3-stage low power protection. When the drone power is less than 11.0 volts, the drone will automatically start the first stage automatic return function. The drone can only be controlled within 60 meters of the remote control. When the drone's power is below 10.7 volts, the drone will automatically start the second stage automatic return function. At this time, the drone can only operate within 30 minutes of the remote control. When the drone's power is below 10.3 volts, the drone will automatically start the third stage automatic return function. At this time, the drone will automatically return to the departure point. When the power of the remote is less than 4.3 volts, the fifth indicator light on the remote is turned on at the same time, means the remote is low in power. At this time, the batteries of the remote control should be replaced in time. Press the key to return. Remote control emit DD sound. The drone at the minimum altitude of 10 meters or so to return to the takeoff point. Connect to Wi-Fi. Scan the QR code on instruction to download and install the software. Apple system scans iOS QR code. Android scans Google QR code. Enter the mobile phone settings options. Open the wireless network. Search for the device. Connect successfully. Exit the settings options. Open the app. Enter the app. This version supports 5G signals. Apple system 8.0 or above version. Android 6.0 or above. Photo recording function. Photo key. Short press photo. Video key. Short press video. Trajectory flight. Enter the app interface. Click on the trajectory flight icon. Draw the trajectory points. Click on the send icon. The drone will start from the initial point to the first point of the trajectory, and then in order to fly point by point. Intelligent follow. Click on the intelligent following icon. The drone to the current location to the operator's mobile phone distance as a benchmark for intelligent following. Insert point surround. Click on the surround icon. Set the surround center point. Set the surround parameters, and then click on the send icon. The drone will fly to the center point and set the parameters for the surround flight. Drone blade installation. Expand the arm of the drone. Expand the rear arm of the drone upward and backward. The forward arm of the drone is then extended downward and forward. Propeller blade replacement of drone. The propeller blades of the drone are squeezed down and rotate. Pull out the propeller blade again. The propeller blade clip of the drone is aimed at the clip position. Press the clamp down by hand and rotate. Tighten the propeller blade. When replacing, please note the corresponding Type 2 and Type O blades. Battery replacement and charging. Press the button on the side of the battery. Pull back. Take out the battery. Take out the charging plug of the battery. Plug in charger. The green light flashes slowly while charging. The green light goes on when the battery is full. The charge time is about 4 hours. After the battery is charged, reinsert the battery charging plug. Push the battery into the card slot. When you hear a click, the battery will lock up automatically.